Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm task and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 3, C is 4 and D is 7. So let's see after solving it, which answer is correct? So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These are rules commonly used in the to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve first step uh, bracket and parenthesis. After the bracket, after the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So first, you have to go left to right and find out which operation is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one. So first of all, we write like 2 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 2, which is equals to 3. And multiplication and 3 raised to power 2, we will write as it is minus 7. And here we have to give the reference 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Now move forward. Step number 2, we have to solve the exponent part or power of any number. So we have to solve this one, which is 3 raised to power 2. And it becomes 2 plus 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 means 9 minus 7. And here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2. It becomes, now we have to go left to right for solving division and multiplication. So now we have to see, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the, first of all, left to right we will go and find out which is coming first. So here we have 3 divided by 3. 2 plus 3 divided by 3, which is equals to 1, multiplied by 9 minus 7. And here we have to give the reference 3 divided by. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 plus 9 ones are 9 minus 7. And here we have to give the reference like 1 multiplied by 9 equals to 9. Now we have solved the division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. Now we have to solve addition and subtraction. So we have to follow same rule. We will go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 plus 9, which is equals to 11 minus 7. And here we have to give the reference like 2 plus 9 equals to 11. And we have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 4. So the answer of the given expression is 4. If you see the answer list, answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.